Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Abdul Tafil, currently pursuing my BTech at Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimvaram. Today I am going to explain about some basic concept that I have learned from Vedic. Now, what is JavaScript? A JavaScript is a programming language which is used to write front-end and back-end and call APIs. Some basic concepts of JavaScript are variables. A variable is a named memory location where we can store the data. And in JavaScript, variables can hold different types of different types like number, strings, or objects. There are some rules for declaring variable names. These rules are same as another programming language. In JavaScript, it is case sensitive, and only letters, digits, underscore, and dollar symbol is allowed. Must it, every variable name should begin with a letter, underscore, or a dollar character. Reserved names cannot be used as reserved name means keywords cannot be used as a variable names. The syntax for declaring variable name is variable name equal to value, and we can declare variable with some keywords. There are three keywords that are where. This keyword is used. Uh, when this keyword is used, then we cannot be redeclared or updated. It is a global scope variable. And next one is let. In variable cannot be redeclared but can be updated. A block scope, it is a block scope variable. Constant variable cannot be redeclared or updated. It is also a block scope variable. And let's see a sample code of variables. Here we can see we use let keyword and constant keyword and variable keyword. uh, we can run our javascript code by uh, Node.js. Command for running is node file name variables.js. You can get the output name, age, and city. Uh, by that cannot be updated. It cannot be given another value. Constant that can be given to another value. Constant cannot be changed. Variable where can be updated or redirected. Next case is arrays. Uh, Generally, an array is uh, array is an homogeneous collection of same data type which is arranged in order. Every array index starts with 0 and with n minus n is the size of an array. Uh, Now the different types are push, pop, pushing, connect, shift, unshift, splice, and slice. And let's see a small code about arrays. Here we have arrays, fruits, name fruits. It is a declaration of arrays, and this is axing of arrays. Now this is the one of the method for arrays. Now let's see the output. See, banana, which is at and the length of the array. Next concept. The next concept in JavaScript is functions. A function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task. Allow to perform the task easily without writing the name multiple times. Functions can take parameters and inputs and return outputs. The main purpose of function is to reduce time complexity, space complexity. Uh, there is a very big applications in functions, and let's see a small function. These are known as arguments. This is function definition and declaration, and this is a call function. Here we are calling the function add, and we are here printing the result. Let's execute this one. We output 8 5 plus 3. For JavaScript is objects. An object is a collection of the in the form of key value pairs. Objects are used for real world entities in code. And let's see a small code about objects. Here we are declare object. Here person is an object. It has key and values. Name is a key and value is its value. Age is a key and 21 its value. City is a key and its value is code. Here we get the output name and the full person details, objects, and loops. Loop is a programming construction of a certain condition. There are different types of loops in JavaScript. They are, we use for loop when we know how many times we have to iterate in the loop, and while repeats a block of code as long as the condition is true. When we know the particular condition, then we use while loop. There are and while loop repeats a block of code as long as the condition is true. We use while loop when we know where to stop the loop. It means if we have to know about condition where we have to stop the loop, and for of loop iterates over array values. It access every array values. The syntax for of loop is for this is a var is a variable and this is the array name. And for in loop it gives the property names keys, not the values directly. If for example in arrays we have key and value pairs, from that we can access the keys. uh, Now the syntax for that is for let value in this is a variable to for accessing every values in from array. This is the array. Now conditional statements. Conditional statements are used to make decisions in your code. They allow your program to perform different actions based on the different conditions. In JavaScript, the main types of condition statements are if it checks the condition, else runs when the condition is false, else if check another condition if the first is false, switch used when we have multiple possible condition to compare, switch case. And let's see a small code on loops and conditional statements. Oops, let's execute it. So here we get the output. Let's see the code. Here we use for loop. We know here to where we have to stop. We have to stop when the count is 5. So this is the for loop, and this for off loop we have access every. Uh, this is colors is an array. We access every color of an colors array using color variable. And while loop we use condition while n equal to 3 we have to stop the loop. This is the loop of conditional statements. Node. Let's see. File name is wrong. Here we have taken variable of marks 85. First the condition checks if marks are greater than 90. If it is true, then this is executed, or next condition is checked. If this is true, then this block of code is executed, or else statement is executed. This is the condition statement. Next, what is Node.js? Here JavaScript is a programming language. We need a compiler to compile a programming language. For JavaScript, Node is a compiler used to compile Node.js. We can compile JavaScript code, but it has many tasks. It is not preferable mainly, but we can do it in browser also. Normally JavaScript runs only in browsers, but Node.js exists. Let us you to see build backend servers, APIs, real-time apps, and even IoT system. So here the main point is Node.js is a compiler. Now callback functions. A callback function is a function which is passed as an argument to another function. And this is very common in Node.js because Node uses asynchronous programming. It does not wait for one task to finish before starting another. Code for small code function is with the name. Here we have this function is callbacking, and we have function. Here we have passed the arguments name and which function has to be called back. Here we pass the function say by as a calling function. Now the output of this code is my name. Uh, Goodbye. This is the output of this program. And next, how to install packages in packages. We can install packages. To install packages, we use command node install nodes npm space install space package name, and before that installing packages we have to initialize it in the our programming folder. For that we use this command npm install -5 init -5. After that we install packages that we require. This is the installation of packages. After that, let's see about a telegram bot. Here, this is the folder of creating telegram bot. uh, Before creating a telegram bot we have to install some package required package. We can get that package from npm.js. From that we can search for package what we want. We want telegram bot. If we search for telegram bot we can get one command. By pasting that command in our terminal we can get package in our folder. After that we have to create a file. In that file we have to write the code for a telegram bot. Before that we have to create a token for our telegram bot that we can get from telegram. Open telegram and go to search for that bot further. Then we get one account in that is first to start that bot. After starting it will give some it will interact with you and give another command at new bot. It will ask for put name for your bot, or you have to choose one name. After that it will produce one token. You can use this token in your bot. Here you can use the token in your code. By that we can prepare a telegram bot. After uh, telegram bot you can put this is bot that I have created. uh, I started this bot with any type of arithmetic operation, the addition, subtraction, division. If, for example, if you like, will give the result. So it perform any arithmetic operation. Thank you.